If you need to let someone connect to your computer remotely, the first thing you'll need is your AnyDesk ID. In this video, I'll show you how to find it and share it quickly and safely. This is a simple process, but it's important to know exactly where to look so you can give the correct ID to the right person. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, click the Start menu on your computer and type AnyDesk into the search bar. Then open the AnyDesk application from the results. Once the app launches, give it a few seconds to load fully. Sometimes it takes a moment to connect and display all the information on the home screen, so be patient and let it finish loading. When AnyDesk opens, look at the main screen for a section labeled This Desk or Your Address. This is where your unique AnyDesk ID will appear. In some cases, you may also see a custom alias instead of a long number, and that can also be used for sharing access. The important thing is that this is the address another person needs in order to connect to your device. Now, to copy the ID, simply right-click on the number or alias that's displayed. From the menu that appears, click Copy. This puts your AnyDesk ID onto your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, email, or chat. If right-clicking doesn't work the way you expect, just make sure you're selecting the actual ID field shown on the screen. Once copied, send the ID to the person you want to share access with. You can paste it directly into WhatsApp, email, Teams, or any other messaging app you use. Just remember to share it only with someone you trust, because this ID allows them to request a connection to your computer. After they enter it on their side, you'll be able to approve or deny the connection request. And that's it. You've now found, copied, and shared your AnyDesk ID in just a few easy steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.